today's recipe is maple cinnamon banana muffins. All right, we're going to take some bananas, about 3 medium-sized ripe bananas. And we're going to mash them in our bowl. Now, if you don't have really ripe bananas, you can place your bananas in the oven and heat them up for about 5 to 10 minutes around 250 degrees, and that will ripen your bananas up a little bit more. So we'll place these in our bowl, and we're just going to mash them up with a fork, and we're going to try to get as minimal lumps as possible. Now that that's done, we're going to add our maple syrup. And what's nice about this recipe is we're not using refined sugar, we're just using pure maple syrup, some melted butter, and an egg. And we're going to whisk this all together. This is really quite a quick and easy recipe to make. Great for breakfast, great for after school snack. Now we'll add our flour, our cinnamon, our baking soda, and our salt. And we'll just stir this until it's all combined. We don't want to see any flour streaks. These muffins turn out very moist, and they're great with maybe a little bit of butter. And we'll just fill up our muffin tin, and it makes 12 good sized muffins. And we'll place these in the oven at 375 degrees for around 18 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Enjoy. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.